Hey y'all, Canaan from Basin Motorsports here, and today I'm going to try to find a situation where I can beat the new Gunk degreasing wipes. So if you guys have watched the channel a lot, you know I get into situations where I deal with a lot of greasy stuff. I love building 80s muscle cars, and I also run a 100-acre farm where we get into lots of situations that require a lot of oil, grease, and keeping equipment running very smooth. So today I'm gonna go find some situations to see if these towels that Gunk says are Gunktough, I'm gonna try and beat them today and find a situation where they cannot degrease as good as they say. So the first situation, when I first got these towels, I thought, what's a good situation for these? And so I popped the top off, grabbed the towel out. We'll just take one here. Now these have a nice citrus scent to them. They have a soft side and a scrubby side, which makes it really nice. You can kind of choose there. And you don't have to worry about them getting, tearing up your hands too much. These are not so aggressive that you need to worry about wearing gloves. The beauty of these things, when I first started looking at doing this, on the 86 hatchback Mustang I'm restoring, I thought, yeah, they clean a surface, right? But anything can do that. But where they're really going to excel is by doing the hoses. Now the hoses on the bottom side are always the worst, And trying to clean hoses is always a tough one because you really can't get the bottom side. But on the towels themselves, I think they're going to be great. So I thought this was going to be a gimme. I'll give it to you, Gunk. You got some towels here that do a great job of degreasing hoses on the top side, make it real easy to use. But I'm going to find something to beat your towels. All right, so the Gunk towels themselves say they're better used or best used for under the hood, for its grease in the engine and all that stuff. But I think if you're going to say you're Gunktough, you better be able to get out there and get your hands dirty on anything. So this is a wheel off of our 2001 Chevy Suburban. Now we've had this vehicle for almost 5 years and we've never washed it. We live on a dirt road and we're farmers by trade. So do you think this is going to be enough to stop the towels? Let's find out. So now the cap itself is chrome. And one thing that'll be interesting to see, does it mess with chrome at all? Let's find out. Now looking at the center cap, you can see everywhere that's cleaned. And it's actually removed the surface rough that was pitting the stuff. Look at that shine. Wow. All right, so they did good on chrome. Let's see how they do on these wheels themselves. Now these have always been kind of this dingy gold color. So I want to give these a good scrub to see what's it going to do for that. Now to do that, I'm going to use the scrubby side of the towel. Figure it warrants it a little bit. So let's see how the towel did. What? Check this out! These wheels aren't even gold! They're silver! Oh, alright towels. I haven't beaten them so far, but I'm going to beat them. I'm going to go find something even dirtier to see how these towels really do. So underhood for an 80s car and a wheel that hasn't been washed in 5 years isn't enough for these towels. What do you think a piece of construction equipment that just came off a job that's probably never been washed is going to do for these towels? Oh, I think I got you, Gunk. I think I've got you. Look at that, sticks in there. Look at all that dirt and grime. Oh yeah, I think I got you. Now in order to play fair, I did get a fresh towel to take on the ultimate challenge, but we're gonna see what the Gunk wipes can really do and if they are really Gunktough or not. Here's what the towel's done. That used to be completely black and oiled compared to like that. Look what that towel did. Look at that. Goodness. Well, it appears I'm 0 for 3 going against the new Gunk wipes. These things are actually Gunktough. So I think I'll quit while I'm behind. I'm 0 for 3 going against the new Gunk wipes. They are as advertised. They are Gunktough. And I don't have a situation that can beat the towels. So that's it, guys. Thanks to Gunk for sending me the tub of wipes to give them a shot. I told you I was going to put them through the test, and well, you guys lived up to what you told me. You said they were going to be Gunktough and hard to beat, and I'm 0 for 3 against them today, and that's enough for me. I'll take less of a beating next time. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this. Hopefully, if you guys want to check these out, go pick them up. I think they're at major automotive stores at the local place, plus you can also find them online like Amazon and other places like that. I'll throw you a link in the description, someplace you can grab them, but these things are pretty awesome. There's a whole lot in that tub of towels too. So that's it. We'll see you next time. Basin Motorsports. Going to get greasy.